Good afternoon, everybody. Jeff Mathies here. The story I want to tell you. I'm sitting there on my ranch fixing a busted pipe. That's why I'm all dirty. And I get a phone call from an advisor. And the advisor's telling me all about AI and how AI is going to change the world of investing and how everybody needs to get into it. And they've got some special AI investment fund where AI does everything for you. So I thought, well, now's probably as good a time as any to make sure I get a video out to my clients just in case they see this Yahoo, one of his videos somewhere. Let me explain AI. Is AI good for investing? It can be. Here's the problem with AI. AI cannot tell you what's going to happen tomorrow, but that's how AI is being sold to investors. Is you let AI do the work for you. It will do the trading. It will do the positioning. It will do everything. And here's the problem with that theory. If AI, the only way AI will ever be successful as the trader is if AI controls everything. So it has to control what happened yesterday, so it knows what is going to happen tomorrow. And as soon as you have a platform where AI controls everything, everybody loses. Because AI, the way the investing is designed, is to win. And if it controls everything, if everybody wins, then everybody loses at the same time. There's no benefit. It becomes completely counterproductive. So where's AI productive with what we do? AI is productive because it reacts at a lightning speed to what happened yesterday. It can't do anything for you on what happens tomorrow because there is human emotion involved. There are humans making trades. There are humans having things in their lives that cause them to sell positions. AI can't know that. It can't control that. It can't even anticipate that correctly. So the only place AI has a good position in investing is reacting to what happened yesterday. It has to be fast at it too. And that's how we use AI. And that's how our algorithm works, is we are taking advantage of everything that happened yesterday at over 26,000 positions, 21 different asset classes, and a ton of countries. That's how you take advantage of it. That's the only way AI is ever going to be successful in investing. I know this is a very off-key video as we are driving. But again, I wanted to get this out there quickly because there's a lot of talk out there about AI and how it's going to change the world and let AI do the investing for you. All that is a product somebody packaged and they're trying to sell it to you as the next great thing. It's not going to be. The only thing they care about is you paying the fee to get that technology. What happens after that is probably going to be a disaster. And it's written in the disclosures. When you start reading these things, they're terrifying. Stay away from it, guys. Have a good day.